Hello, this is Heather Hoffman, and I've got a quick little simple card to share with you today using one of the brand new releases from Unity Stamp Company, and a little bit of simple coloring and partial die cutting and some fun pattern paper just to put together this fun and simple Christmas design. This little cutie is one of the new Cuttlebug family of stamps, and this one's called Cuttlebug Frog, surprisingly enough. I love his little face and all of the fun little details. I'm using just 2 different shades of Copic marker for each part that I'm coloring in. A lot of people do it different ways. Some people like to put the darker first and then blend it out. And some people do it the reverse. The way I learned, sometimes I do it in the reverse, but the way I first learned to do it was putting the lighter color first and then blending in the shadows with the darker shade. A lot of times I'll go back over again with the lighter one to blend them together, but sometimes, like on this card, I want to have a little bit more defined color between the darker and the lighter shades. So on this one I'm leaving a little more specific lines in there. That last one that I'm using, it's BG10. I forgot to set the lid there so you could see what color it was. It's a really soft blue, and I kind of use it just to add a little bit of shadow around the white and then kind of the outside of the image. All right, now I have just a basic circle die that I'm going to go ahead and use, and as you can see there when I'm die cutting, I want it to go around, but I don't want it to cut that corner off. So once I get my die cut machine out, I'm going to zoom that back out so you can see a little bit better, and I'm taping it in place to make sure I hold it very carefully on there, and I'm popping it up over the top, but I don't want it to get creased either. So I'm just going to go part way in. Notice I didn't go all the way through, and I'm going to turn that and hit that other side and again not go all the way. And that way that whole piece is cut, but it left that corner intact. So it kind of ended up to do kind of a semicircle around it, but makes it fit on the corner of my pattern paper a little bit better. So this is from an older 6x6 pattern paper, and any fun Christmassy pattern paper will work for this. I liked the plaid and the red and the green together. Thought it went fun with this design. So I'm going to quickly just pop that little semicircle that I have all colored and decorated. I'm going to pop it up on foam adhesive right in that bottom corner. That's why I wanted to leave that corner intact so it would fit onto the bottom of that. And I'm going to adhere it onto a white card base with a little bit of double-sided tape. And then as a finishing touch, I'm just going to round that top corner out. That'll kind of help it match together with the design of the circle in the bottom as well. There you go. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you check out the new releases and have a wonderful day.